As a representative of the Somali Bantu American community, I am compelled to respond to the recent statements made by a representative of the Somali government at the United Nations General Assembly meeting. The Somali government's denial of committing atrocities and genocide against its own citizens, particularly those who oppose their tribal-based governance, is a gross misrepresentation of the truth. The facts on the ground paint a starkly different picture. The Somali government's rule is characterized by brutality, with the 4 major tribes wielding significant power and influence. Those who do not belong to these tribes, including the Somali Bantu ethnic group, face severe consequences, including rape, murder, and forced displacement. The situation is particularly dire for women, children, and men who are targeted and slaughtered in front of their families. The case of General Ahmed Shego, a prominent figure who was wrongly accused and jailed only to be poisoned to death, is a stark reminder of the government's intent to eliminate dissenting voices. Hundreds of others are accused daily of crimes they did not commit, and the lack of due process and justice is rampant. It is disheartening to see well-known individuals, including the former president of Somalia, Mohamed Abdullahi Farmajo, praising the Somali government's representative for his speech, which was devoid of truth. As Somali Bantu Americans, we have come to the United States as legal refugees, seeking safety and protection from the very atrocities that are being perpetrated in our homeland. We demand justice for our people who are being targeted and slaughtered daily in Somalia. As tax-paying citizens of the United States, we expect the same rights and protections as every other citizen. We will not stand idly by while the Somali government's representative peddles false narratives and denies the reality of the situation on the ground. Israel's criticism of the Somali government's actions is justified, and we support their right to call out the Somali government for its atrocities. We urge the international community to take heed of the situation in Somalia and to hold the government accountable for its actions. The Somali Bantu American community will continue to advocate for the truth and for the rights of our people, both in the United States and in Somalia.
Somali Bantu, we stand tall. In our land, we'll break the wall. Racism's chains can't hold us down. United we rise, we claim our ground. In Somalia soil we toiled and bled. Endless racism cuts like a blade. Our struggle echoes through the night, but we won't surrender without a fight. Our voices rise from the dust and pain. A nation divided, but we'll reclaim the right to live without fear or shame. Together we'll rewrite our name. Somali Bantu, here to stay. We'll fight back, come what may. Power sharing is the key we hold to balance, unite.